Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a fresh face because I'm going to be doing a transformation in partnership with Ipsy. Now if you haven't heard of Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription program. So they have two different levels that you can choose from. They actually have a Glam Bag level where you can get 5 sample size products every month, or they have the Glam Bag Plus level where you can get 5 full size products every month. So I'm excited to share that today I actually received not just their regular Glam Bag, but also the Glam Bag Plus. So I want to show you guys exactly what products I got in here, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a cute little nice little transformation using the products that I received. Alright, so let's see what I received in my Glam Bag. So if you do the Glam Bag subscription where you get the sample size, every month you receive a pouch filled with nice goodies that's customized to your own personal liking of suggestions. So you can choose either if you like mascaras or eyeshadows or face serums or moisturizers, whatever it may be, and you can actually have a customized bag that you receive every month with what you like. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Alright, so first thing is the Tatcha Deep Cleanser. So I've heard a lot of great things about this brand, so I'm excited to give it a try. And this is why I love having the Ipsy as well too. See, you get the sample size. So if you don't like it, you don't feel like you wasted money, so to speak, on a full product size solution. But if you do love it, you can also get a full size one and then already know that you tried it out and it works good for your hair or your face or skin, whatever it may be. Next we have the Glow Recipe. This is actually their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So after you cleanse your face, you can follow right up with this moisture cream to begin the priming steps of getting your makeup all set and ready, baby. Next I have the Ico Mascara. So this is their Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. So I'm going to be giving this a try as well to see how they look on my lashes, baby, because she needs to be transformed. Then we have the Anastasia Lip Gloss as well. Let me open this up to see exactly what the color looks like. This is called the Moon Jelly color, and I want to see what it looks like. Oh, so it's like a gloss. So you can use this as a top coat. You can use this singular as a base. Let me see how it's looking. Okay, Anastasia. So this is in my bag as well. And obviously I told them that I like lip-based products, so that's what I received some other lip-based products, which is actually the Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is their lip tip. So this is actually a vegan lip oil. So this is perfect if you want to use it maybe as a top coat, just to give your lips a little shine or whatever on them lips and stuff. So this is a cute little bottle. It's got this little slip-proof little handle here. Open it up. Got you, ooh, you see that? Ooh, baby. So this is their lip oil that I'm going to be giving a try too. Ooh, smells good. Okay, so that is my regular Glam Bag. And then now I have more items that are like busting out the side of this box here from the Glam Bag Plus. So we also have in here the Kate Somerville, the Goat Milk. So this is their Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. I heard a lot of great things about the Kate Somerville brand, and this specifically, I'm excited to give it a try, see how it feels on my skin, especially here in these fall, winter months where it gets pretty dry here in Chicago. Want to see exactly how this feels. This says it's also really good for individuals who have eczema or sensitive and dry skin. You can actually use it on your face or body as well. And it's an AM and PM solution. So let's try this out. Then I have the Violet Voss. I actually have their eyeshadow palette here. So a 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Let's see what these colors looking like, mamas. So this is the palette. This is with the Glam Plus, so you do get a full-size palette here. Alright, so here are the colors. So that coral right there in the middle is literally already popping out to me. Got you some shimmer down here, some perfect fall colors, a transitional color, a little rosy or peachy look as well. So I'm going to be giving these a try and see what this looks like on my eyes, baby. And in order to apply it, I actually received some of the F.A.R.A.H Be Beautiful brushes. So they have different brushes in here, as you can see within the collection. So it looks like some eyeshadow brushes, some contouring brushes for taper blending, all kind of stuff. Get your dang on brush game up, mama. And I also received Mltd Cosmetics, a Perfect 10 brush. So this brush is designed to apply, blend, and buff out loose foundation or pressed powder. So I'm going to be using this as I set my makeup as well. So if you want to bake, this is actually designed for that. So let's give this a try and see how it works. Then I received an assortment of different colors for F.A.R.A.H Cosmetics. So this is their matte Voss liquid lip pigments, and so this is what it looks like at the box. This is a very sexy bottle. Like I like how it looks, sleek and neat and gold, crown like the queen I am. So they have different colors here. that you can give a go. So this is the first color that they have in here. So this is the F.A.R.A.H color. This is a beautiful little mauve color here, which is called Tiffany. And this beautiful brown color, which is called Cocoa. So I received these 3 different colors and they're all beautiful. So I need to decide which one I'm going to be trying with my look here today. And last but not least, I received the Testique Good Vibes Mascara. So this is a curler and lash enhancing mascara. So this is a little swanky bottle, right? Isn't it swanky for a mascara application? But what I like about it is that it also has the curl wand in here as well too. So you flip this down to actually curl your eyelashes, and then you can apply the mascara. So this is perfect on the go, traveling, whatever it may be, where you can actually already have a 2-for-1 already built in. So I'm excited to give this a try. This is swanky. This is swanky. So as you can see, I received a lot of different products between the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. And as you can see, the sizes of them as well. So the Glam Bag is the one that actually has the sample sizes. You receive 5 sample sizes a month. The Glam Bag Plus is where you receive the 5 full-size products monthly. So I'm excited to give all these products a go. I'm going to be using some of them in my look today so I can transform this little face, baby, because I'm fresh face out here and I'm trying to get a little QB. Okay, so stay tuned. And here is the final look. So I'm loving this fall color with the shimmer and the shadow popping. Your girl done transformed right in front of your eyes. So I absolutely love being able to achieve this look using the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. The beauty of the Ipsy subscription is that you get a chance to try different products from brands that you may already know or maybe never even heard of. So to introduce you to things that you may not even had a chance to try, that you've been wanting to try, different shades that maybe normally you wouldn't, but you want to live on a wild side. I'm normally just a plain lip in terms of the nude color or light pink, but this is giving me life. What y'all think? So if you haven't already, I definitely recommend trying out the Ipsy subscription program so you can get a chance to try the different products. You can start with the process of having the simple Glam Bag, and then if you want, you can move up to the Glam Bag Plus, or you can get both of them. So I'm going to leave a link below with more information on how to sign up and very easy steps so you can get you a Glam Bag too, girl. Well, my gems, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. So happy to have you join me. Make sure to subscribe subscribe to. You can hit that notification bell link below so that way you can be notified when new videos become available on my channel. And if you aren't already, come check me out on my social media at @2bruby on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Facebook, where you can get to see some more behind the scenes for different beauty and lifestyle content on my channels there as well. Well, thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye bye gems.